So the issue is my Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max remote voice control button is not working. It's either not responding or the blue bar appears, as you can see here, but then it just lags or no result shows up whatsoever. So don't worry, here's how I fixed it. So if it's lagging or you are not getting any follow-up at all, it could be a Wi-Fi issue. So let's get into the settings on our TV, then open network. Now make sure Fire TV Stick is properly connected to a working Wi-Fi connection. You can also check the Wi-Fi speed if you want. And you can try restarting your router. You can even forget the network and reconnect with it once again. Just the basic Wi-Fi troubleshooting is enough. Now, right after that, just try streaming something to check if the internet is actually stable. Turn up volume. Turn up volume. Now, if Wi-Fi is fine, but if the Alexa listening indicator shows up but nothing happens, this could be an Amazon server issue or an Alexa service glitch. Now, before going any further, head into settings once again, and then to My Fire TV from there, and then click on the About section. Head over to Check for Updates option. If there is any pending update available, this will automatically install to your Fire Stick. Now, if nothing has worked so far, then it's time to reset the remote. So first, unplug your Fire TV Stick from the TV or remove the power adapter completely wherever it's comfortable for you. Now grab a remote and then press and hold the menu, back button, and left navigation button together about 12 to 15 seconds. After that, take out the batteries. Let's wait for a couple of minutes and then insert them back into the remote once again. Now plug back your Fire TV Stick into the TV. Now at this point, the Fire TV remote should automatically start syncing. If it still doesn't connect, press and hold the home button and the yellow light will keep blinking. Now once the blinking stops, the remote will connect to your Fire TV Stick and you'll see a pop-up confirming it's connected. We have a separate video on how to reset the remote. If you want, you can just go ahead and check that out as well. And after resetting the remote, hopefully the voice button will start working once again. Alexa, open Spotify.
Okay.
Alexa, open Netflix. Thanks for being with Fix369.